Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So I know that जो भी students technical group को टारगेट कर रहे हैं FCAG3 के या फिर जनरल और डीपो ग्रुप को भी टारगेट कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का जनरल स्टडीज़ जो है वो एक पॉइंट ऑफ कंसर्न है कि जनरल स्टडीज़ कैसे पढ़े, क्योंकि जनरल स्टडीज़ के लिए देर हैज़ नॉट बीन गिवन एनी सिलेबस इन द प्रीवियस नोटिफिकेशन। और जनरल स्टडीज़ में सब्जेक्ट्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा कवर होते हैं, जैसे कि आपका हिस्ट्री, जोग्राफी, इकोनॉमी, then you have to read general science also of up to class 8 to class 10th level. Then also you have to cover current affairs and computer awareness. So today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you outline a syllabus for general studies for yourself, और क्या decoded syllabus है जनरल स्टडीज़ का बेस्ड ऑन प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। सो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन को कैसे एनालाइज करके हम एक decoded syllabus प्रिपेयर करते हैं अपने लिए, that all we are going to discuss here in this video. But before I start, I wanted to tell you that we have launched a ebook for technical general and depot post. So if you want all the decoded syllabus, all the important topics or previous year question for this examination, you can get that ebook. For that you have to go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and download that ebook for yourself, and it is going to be very helpful. So I request you all to please download it once and have a look at it once. So students, with that I'll start. So first let's understand कि जो जनरल स्टडीज़ है उसके कैसे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस देखने को मिलते हैं, राइट। सो फर्स्ट वील सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड from general studies part. So you can see question number 1, the iron pillar near Qutub Minar in Delhi was made by. So this is a question from history. Now this question is of history and it is very basic question. It's not very in-depth question or any means in core knowledge of history is not required to solve such question, right? Now next question is regarding the major tributary of a river, right? So this is a question of ज्योग्राफी। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आप जब भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज करो, सो प्लीज़ मार्क कि वो क्वेश्चन कौन से टॉपिक से आया है, राइट। सो वेन एवर यू आर रीडिंग एनी क्वेश्चन, जस्ट मार्क वट from which topic this question has been asked. Now next question is regarding Asian Development Bank, right? Next question is regarding your science, which is Greek letter denotes wavelength. तो ये physics का question है. Then you can see questions from current affair. ऐसे पूछे गए थे कि स्पोर्ट्स से क्वेश्चन है. यू कैन सी पंजाब किंग्स ड्यूरिंग IPL ऑक्शन मेकिंग हिम कॉस्टलियर क्रिकेटर, ओके, टू बी ब्रॉट बाय एन फ्रेंचाइजी ऑफ इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग. सो ये क्वेश्चन आया आपका स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड. देन देर इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अवार्ड ऑल्सो, साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड से क्वेश्चन है. देन देर इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम वन स्कीम ऑल्सो, प्रधानमंत्री वय वंदना योजना से क्वेश्चन है. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू जस्ट फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं, कौन से टॉपिक से पूछे गए हैं और किस डेप्थ में पूछे गए हैं, राइट. वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दिस थिंग, then what you can do, you can outline a syllabus for yourself, right. Now this is a syllabus that we have outlined for you based on our analysis. Our team has done the analysis and we have outlined syllabus for general studies. Now you can take help of this syllabus. Also I would request you to please once go through the previous year questions and please see whether this syllabus matches or not, and if there is anything additional you can add on to it, right. So now you can see from history the topics like Harappan civilization, Mahajanpadas, Gupta age, Buddhism and Jainism, temples in India, famous foreign travelers during ancient and medieval India, Mughal rulers, Maratha kingdoms, important freedom fighters, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, non-cooperative movement, civil disobedience movement, round table conference, quit India movement, and famous books and authors. So from these topics क्वेश्चन वर आस्क्ड इन हिस्ट्री पार्ट ऑफ जनरल स्टडीज ऑफ FCIAG3, ठीक है. तो ये टॉपिक्स आपके इंपॉर्टेंट है हिस्ट्री के लिए. Now let's talk about geography. So river of India, one question we have already seen based on that, right. So rivers of India, major waterfalls and dam, census 2011, Indian agriculture, Indian physiography, Indian monsoon system and Indian vegetation. ये आपके topics होंगे geography के लिए. So again based on PYQ we have outlined these topics. Now in economics, measurement of growth, monetary policy of India, Indian tax system, important regulators in India, budget and economic survey, important international economic institutes. These are your topics for economics, right. Now in general studies we have other subjects like science, current affair, and in phase 2 आपका computer knowledge भी पूछा जाता है, right. So what to do in that case, what is the syllabus? So you can see in science topics like acids and base, metal and non-metal, chemical compound in our daily lives, chemical changes, gases and atmosphere, Newton's law of motion, momentum, energy and collision, wave theory, type of collision, cells and tissue, human digestive system, human circulatory system, human muscular system, different types of diseases, biotic and abiotic component. These are the topics of science from which क्वेश्चंस वर आस्क्ड प्रीवियसली इन FCI AG3 एग्जाम. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट करंट अफेयर कि किस टाइप का करंट अफेयर आपको पढ़ना है और किस टाइप के करंट अफेयर से क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे. ओके, few question we have seen already. So current affair based on like anything that is first in news, any government initiative, summits and conference, MOUs and agreement, banking and finance related news, science and technology, defense, environment, sports, award, appointment, any person in news, books and author, fair and festival, places in news, days in news, miscellaneous news. Then there is government schemes, we have already seen one question, and then reports, right? So this kind of current affair you have to cover for FCI AG3 exam. Now next let's talk about computer knowledge. So students, in your phase 2 5 नंबर की computer knowledge भी पूछी जाती है. वहाँ से there will be 5 questions. So you have to just cover the basics of computer. Okay, so what are the topics that you need to cover? Basic of computer awareness, then hardware and memory, software and operating system, MS Office, database management system, internet and computer security, history and computer and generations, and shortcut keys. Shortcut keys से often questions पूछे जाते हैं whenever computer knowledge is a part of any examination, right? So this is your syllabus for general studies. Now let's talk about most important topic. Now students, when we analyze the previous year question and when we see that from few topics more number of question has been asked as compared to others, so these topics becomes our most important topic. So what are these most important topics of general studies? You can see here it is Gupta age, Sultanate period, Mughal empire, temple architect, Gandhian movement, Indian freedom fighter, Indian drainage system, Indian agriculture, Indian tax system, economic history of India after independence, diseases, metal and non-metal, and government schemes. So these are your most important topic of general studies. Okay, you have to focus more on these topics than the rest of the others, right? So read all the topics, but you have to cover these topic in greater detail manner because number of questions asked from these topics were more as compared to others. So with that, I have come to end of this video, and now I hope you have understood the decoded syllabus and how to make your decoded syllabus based on your previous year question. But before I end this video, I wanted to show you our courses. So students, if you want to prepare for this examination with us, so we have also launched courses for general, depot and technical. All you have to do is to visit our website, go to the courses, select FCI courses and scroll down. So you can see here so we have launched the course for general, depot and technical. You can see here courses has been launched for technical, general and depot, so you can enroll in our courses and prepare with us. So that was all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you're new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.